darling. Yes.
Welcome to my channel, Knowing an Angel. Oh my god. Hi everyone, so I'm super excited because I'm gonna be doing another amazing video and I have my bestie here to do it with me again. So, welcome Carlos G. Flores.
Oh, how you doing, world? And how you doing, Knowing an Angel?
I'm doing amazing, thank you. So I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing another video. I hope you all saw the video that we did last time. How did you like the last video we did?
Honey, of course, I was living for it.
So now we're gonna be doing a different one, showing an amazing palette.
It's the paint palette. By who, Angel?
By Glamlite.
Oh,
Okay, Carlos, thank you. That's cute.
Oh, sorry.
I love you. 1 second, please. Oh my god. And the look that we're gonna be doing today is by this amazing artist that I found on Instagram. Oh my god. You can see her picture here. Look at her. So amazing. The stuff that she did is so beautiful. I'm gonna try to recreate it and see what's up. So don't forget to subscribe to her Instagram. I'm sure she has a YouTube channel too. I don't think she has a main channel. So let's say no more. Carlos, are you excited for this look we're gonna do on you?
I can't wait.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but we already did his face because we want to save a little time. So we already did his eyebrows. Look, they're looking like perfect. So we're ready to go pretty much. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. And stay tuned because we're going to be having a lot of fun with this paint palette. Or more like, can you paint it?
Or more like, honey, I could paint it.
More like it passed.
More like and awkward. Oh. Hello, world. Welcome back. Ooh. And yes, here it is. Glamlite paint palette.
Thank you. Oh my god. Or more like. So this is the palette we're gonna be playing with today, and I'm super excited. Look at how cute it is. Look at all the colors.
Oh
my god, impressively, honey, those colors are popping. Alright, Carlos, are we ready to start this? I am so excited! So we're gonna start with this beautiful red over here.
Love it.
We're gonna use this beautiful orange color. And I'm gonna go back with the red a little bit.
I'll read
We're
it.
gonna go a little bit back with it and gonna put it on top of it and blend it with the other one. With the beautiful orange.
Oh.
Now we're gonna grab the cute yellow. Oh my god, I told you guys yellow is one of my favorite colors. Okay, so now we're done with the eyeshadow on top. Now we're gonna do the cut crease. How's it feeling, Carlos?
Oh my god, it's feeling very creasy.
Oh my god, it's lobster. Now we're gonna use this beautiful yellow color. Now we're gonna put a little bit of the orange. Now we're gonna use a little bit of the cute pink.
How's it looking?
Or more like, how is it cooking?
Or more like, how's it feeling?
Now we're gonna use the purple. As you can see, guys, these colors are pigmented. Now we're gonna do the part that I've been waiting for. We're gonna do the gold eyeliner. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time.
About to get our gold eyeliner on. Okay.
So now we're gonna be using the NYX gold highlighter. Now we're gonna be using this green eyeliner. Wow, Carlos.
How you doing, world?
Oh my god. Let me see another
How you
close up.
mother effing doing?
Let me see.
Don't look at me.
Oh my god. Cause Carlos damage. So damaged. I'm gonna try to draw the palette.
Whoa!
Oh, we're doing the palette, guys.
Ooh.
And go. And I always say, always put a little bit, a tiny bit of water on your face paint.
Ooh. And now we're doing it.
I'm loving the little cute palette, so we're gonna put a little bit of setting powder now.
Oh.
And we're gonna start putting the cute colors. So excited! Now let's make these eyelashes. So they can be nice, cute, and super wide. We're gonna use my favorite and only contour palette.
Ooh.
You know which ones I like. These two over here.
Oh, you got
Well, for him, I'm gonna use these two over here. Alright, we'll be back. We're gonna be applying the other colors and we're coming right back, beautiful.
Love you.
Love sense. Well, we're pretty much done with the look, guys. So I'm just gonna do a little lines around the palette so it looks a lot more natural. So it looks a little more three-dimensional. So wish me luck. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish the lips and we'll be right back with the final look. Love set. Well, Carlos, come on! Ah!
Oh!
Wow, Carlos, you look so amazing. What do you think?
Me? Oh my goodness, world!
Well, I am super happy. That palette was like a dream to work with, honestly. I can recommend that palette to anyone. Will you recommend that palette to everyone?
Oh my goodness. Talk about Glamlite. Never felt more glamorous and honey, feeling the light.
Oh my god. Anyway, cuties, thank you so much for watching the video. I'm super happy, Carlos. Once again, it's so nice to work with you. Oh my god. Look at those eyes. Like, you look like gorgeous.
I don't know which one I like
Incredible.
more, honey.
Oh my god, you look like we could belong together. Our pop. Oh my god, I love the palette. I am like, okay, I don't mean to be cocky, but I feel like I'm getting a little better and better each time. I feel like I'm getting to like it more and more. I'm proud. I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Oh my god, I'm loving it too. And thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Not only Knowing an Angel, but Carlos G. Flores.
Oh, more like. Oh my god, you're kidding. Oh my god. Oh. Anyway, my friends, we love you. Kisses. Thank you so much for everything. And be good. And especially keep it nice. Love it.
Okay. Oh god, I need more light. No. Don't. Oh my god, I don't know.